Okay guys, good morning, good morning. We are here in the Slovenia area. We are closing to Austria. Ah,
Austria, Austria.
Kasama ko po yung together with
Together with
Frederick
my
Dayaw and
my
Puliga.
no. True friends,
True friends. And
uh,
now we stop in the
borders of Austria to
Austria and
Slovenia.
Slovenia. Petrol.
Now here,
Now here,
guys.
guys, vlog.
Uh,
Follow na. Please
please,
follow vlog.
please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And
Doon naman si ka Saudi Buboy. Yeah, you just follow him, saudibuboy.com.
Saudi Boboy. Din ni Saudi Boboy. Saudi Slovenia na ni. Okay guys. Pero we're going to Italia, Milan, Italy. Going to embassy.